In this video, we will compute the integral of x squared over x squared minus 4 with respect to x. We will go step by step without skipping anything using polynomial division, partial fractions, and basic log rules. Step 1. Polynomial division. Because the numerator and denominator have the same degree, we divide x squared by x squared minus 4. This gives 1 plus 4 over x squared minus 4. We can justify it by writing x squared equals 1 times the divisor plus 4. Step 2. Split the integral. The integral becomes the integral of 1 with respect to x plus 4 times the integral of 1 over x squared minus 4. Step 3. Integrate the easy part. The integral of 1 with respect to x is simply x. We will carry the remaining piece for later. Step 4. Partial fractions. We write 1 over x squared minus 4 as 1 over x minus 2 times x plus 2. Set it equal to a over x minus 2 plus b over x plus 2. Clear denominators to get 1 equals a times x plus 2 plus b times x minus 2. Equate coefficients to obtain the system. A plus b equals 0 and 2a minus 2b equals 1. From a plus b equals 0, b equals negative a. Substitute to get 4a equals 1. So a equals 1/4. Then b equals negative 1/4. Now we rewrite the integrand using a and b. 1 over x squared minus 4 equals 1/4 times 1 over x minus 2 minus 1/4 times 1 over x plus 2. Therefore, the integral of 1 over x squared minus 4 is 1/4 times the natural log of the absolute value of x minus 2 minus 1/4 times the natural log of the absolute value of x plus 2 plus a constant. Multiplying by 4, because our split integral had a leading 4, we get natural log absolute value of x minus 2 minus natural log absolute value of x plus 2. Step 6. Combine all parts. The original integral equals x plus the log difference plus a constant. Using log rules, we can combine the logs into a single logarithm x plus the natural log of the absolute value of the fraction x minus 2 over x plus 2 plus c. Remember the domain restriction from the original integrand, x is not plus or minus 2. Final answer.
Thanks for watching Myverse Maths. If this helped you, hit that like button, drop a comment, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick maths tricks and proofs. See you in the next one.